Welcome to La Rochelle Hotel, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of nature, where luxury meets tranquility. Known for its stunning views, world-class hospitality, and commitment to sustainability, La Rochelle offers an escape like no other. Whether you're savoring gourmet meals, unwinding by the pool, or exploring the surrounding natural beauty, every moment here is designed to be unforgettable. But behind the scenes, La Rochelle Hotel faced a challenge common to many remote, off-grid locations, ensuring a reliable and sustainable power supply. To continue delivering exceptional experiences to their guests while staying true to their eco-friendly values, the hotel turned to SolarPro Energy Africa for a solution. The installation process was a testament to SolarPro's expertise and dedication. The team worked tirelessly to ensure every component was perfectly aligned and integrated.
So this inverter, we are at La Rochelle Hotel. It's powering the whole hotel. 22 rooms, kettles, fans, air cons, all the fridges, all the lighting, and it is quite been a game changer for these guys. They had a small 5 kilowatt inverter for just small essential loads, but now they can run everything with this thing. So on the generator side, if this thing goes to a low battery, it's at night, it can switch on the generator on its own and start charging, and switch off the generator when the battery is full on its own. Everything happens on the phone remotely. You can do remote monitoring on your phone in terms of the load, in terms of the charging parameters, and everything else.
One of the key features of this system is its smart energy management. It automatically switches between solar power, battery storage, and the backup generator based on energy demand and weather conditions. This maximizes efficiency and minimizes costs for the hotel. At SolarPro, we specialize in customized solar solutions for off-grid locations. For La Rochelle Hotel, we designed a hybrid solar system that combines solar panels, battery storage, and a backup generator. This ensures the hotel has 24/7 power, even during cloudy days or at night.
I would like to thank everyone who contributed on this to call these guys to come and install this equipment with 40 panels on our hotel, meaning to say on the electrical and what we are safe. Even though we are having power cut of Zesa, but now we are safe. Everyone is busy down there through using this power from this inverter. So we are so glad. I would appreciate all of you. Thank you so much.
This is the generator that we'll be using to run and charge the batteries. When the battery percentage gets to about 25%, this display unit will be also showing the battery percentage. So when it's get around here, at 25% here, that's when the generator will automatically kick in and start to charge the batteries.
My name is Regis Mchenje, General Manager La Rochelle Country House in Spa in Penhalonga, Mtasa. Although it's about 28 kilometers from here to get to the city center Mtare. Right, I've got guys with Sigenergy. They just recently installed the 25 kVA Sigenergy inverter, which is powering about 22 rooms. Everything else, including kettles in the rooms. It's actually very good, and this is the state-of-the-art product that these guys have actually supplied us in the installation. And yeah, I must say I was on a small inverter, about 5 kVA, but it was only doing the main hotel, which was okay, but it was not.
Thanks to SolarPro Energy Africa, La Rochelle Hotel can now focus on what it does best, providing an unforgettable experience for its guests, powered by the sun. From the warm hospitality to the breathtaking surroundings, every detail at La Rochelle is designed to create memories that last a lifetime.